Every heartbeat is precious, and sometimes saving it requires extraordinary care. We recently treated a 41-year-old patient who arrived in a critical condition with a life threatening type A aortic dissection, a severe tear in the main artery of the heart. The tear was extensive, stretching from the right coronary artery all the way to the first arch vessel, making the situation extremely dangerous. To save his life, our team performed a complex surgery, a Bentall procedure combined with a hemi-arch repair. This surgery involved three crucial steps: replacing the aortic valve and root, as the dissection had damaged the base of the heart, re-implanting the coronary arteries, ensuring the heart muscle continues to receive blood supply, hemi-arch reconstruction, replacing the upper curved part of the aorta where the tear had extended. Despite the complexity of the surgery, the patient showed remarkable strength and resilience. Just 4 days after surgery, he is being discharged with a healthy heart and a bright smile. This success reflects the power of timely diagnosis, advanced cardiac surgery, and dedicated medical care, saving lives one heartbeat at a time.
माझे नाव सचिन सूर्यवंशी. मला 1 महिनाभरापासून श्वास घेण्यामध्ये त्रास होत होता. 4 स्टेप जरी चढलो तरी मला त्रास व्हायचा. म्हणून दवाखान्यामध्ये उपचार करण्यासाठी आणि त्यानंतर इथे उपचारासाठी आलो. डॉक्टरांनी सांगितले 3D इको वगैरे टेस्ट करून त्यांनी सांगितले की माझ्या छातीमध्ये एक गाठ आहे हृदयामध्ये आणि ती गाठ त्या गाठीमुळे रक्त जे आहे ते सगळीकडे पसरत आहे. म्हणून त्यांनी लवकरात लवकर ऑपरेशन करण्याचा निर्णय घेतला. दुसऱ्या दिवशी 2 तारखेला